Now let's see how we can send an attachment also with our email. So let's go back to our email, welcome email.php, and in the scroll down in the attachments function, in here inside the return array, we have to type attachment from path, and in here we have to provide the path of our attachment. So if I scroll down inside my storage app private, in here I have an invoice, so I want to send this invoice as an attachment. So in here I will type storage path, and after that it's inside app private, then invoice dot pdf. So I will type app slash private slash invoice dot pdf. If you want, you can also change its name. For example, you can give him a name like your monthly invoice. And finally I will also pass the meme type of this. So I will type with meme, and in here I will type application slash pdf. That's it. Okay, it's array, no need for this. That's it. Now let's go and register a new user. So let's go log out from this one, go to register, create a new user, register. Okay, it has been successfully registered. Now let's go back to our send. Okay, now here I got my the email, and if I open, there is my attachment and your with the name of your monthly invoice. So this is how you can attach anything inside with your email.